Our previous problem was the speed of one vehicle. This problem is going to be the speed of two vehicles. We've got two trains that are 550 miles apart heading toward each other on, oh, thank goodness, parallel tracks. Phew. Train A is traveling east at 35 miles per hour while train B travels west at 45 miles per hour. When will the trains pass each other? Okay, so this is very similar to a mixture problem in that because we have two different things happening or two different vehicles traveling, we're going to create a table to create to keep our data straight, to keep things organized. We're just going to call them train A and train D. No, I'm just kidding. Let's do train B. Train A and train B. And what do we need to know about these trains? Well, we need to know their rate, distance, and time so that we know when they're going to pass each other. Rate, distance, and time. So, rate, time, and distance. And distance is rate multiplied by time. So let's fill in what we know. Okay, so train A, it says is traveling 35 miles per hour. I don't know what the time is, so I'm just going to call it t, and that means its distance is 35t. Train B is going 45 miles an hour. I don't know its time either, so I'm going to use t there as well. And the reason I can use the same variable as time for both of them is because the time is going to be the same. They are going to pass each other at the same time. As a matter of fact, it'd be kind of hard to pass each other at different times. Not even sure how that would work. So the distance that train B travels is also going to be 45t. Okay, so how are we going to do this? Well, we know how much distance train A is covering, 35 miles per hour, or 35t. We know how much distance train B is covering, 45 miles an hour, or 45t. And we know that the two trains will pass each other after they have covered, according to the problem, 550 miles. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the distance train A covers, we're going to add the distance train B covers, and we're going to see how many hours is it going to take for that total distance to be 550 miles. This problem is very easy. We start off by combining our like terms. 35 plus 45 is 80. Okay, we're just going to say, for showing our work, we're going to say we combine like terms. And then we've just got division property of equality. We'll divide both sides by 80. We can cancel these zeros here, and we've got 55 divided by 8. And 55 divided by 8 is 6.875. That is the division property of equality. So 6.875 is our numerical answer, but that's not our answer in context. So let's do that. The trains will pass each other in about 6.875 hours. Thank goodness they're on parallel tracks. And there we go. Very similar to a mixture problem. We set up the table in order to keep all of our information straight, but then after the table is set up, instead of using the final column to make the top two rows equal to the third row, we make the top two rows equal to the mileage that was given to us in the problem, but otherwise very similar to mixture problems.